Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a social media banner or poster. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's go to Picsart. Customize the banner size from Pick Canvas. After that, go to Layer Tools and select the photo layer and set a background. Then go to Edit Image by clicking on the top arrow icon on the left side. Add subject from Photo Tools. Place according to position. Now make a copy of the subject and keep it aside, blending it with the background. Then I will grab the duplicate subject and use it as a reflect. Add a water splash from the photo and place it under the subject. Mix up the colors with the subject by clicking Add Tools. Lower the opacity slightly, go to the eraser and blend out the splash. Now it's time for decoration. Since this is a drinks, I am decorating accordingly. You just get the idea. Okay, decoration is finished. Now go to the draw tools, apply shadows and blending to the subjects. Is ready. Comment your opinion about the tutorial. If you learned something from the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Until then, stay well, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.